Hi, I am Namcebo Sibane, the project manager for the online admissions system project. So for today, the main purpose was that we had wanted to train our staff from the department to be able to handle all queries that come from you as a parent. So for this project as a whole, for the implementation and for the success, we need to make sure that each and every single parent, wherever they are able to call in and get immediate help and immediate assistance. So us from our developer side of the project, we are able to offer that training. We are happy to partner with the departments to provide a system that could address a whole lot of issues that the normal citizen faces. So issues such as it being a time-consuming process, parents having to travel from one area and school to school to school just to simply try and get their learner admitted. So this system will help time saving since parents will be able to apply for as many as 5 schools at a time for their one learner. The system will also be able to give time back to you to spend with your family. There's also real-time transparency as you'll be able to view where your application is for each and every single school. They will also reduce long lines at school, so you will not be waiting in time-consuming lines for each and every single school that you attend. So thank you very much.